Hello everyone. We have kind of good news for Polymatech stock. So the 157 crore NCLT case that crashed Polymatech sentiment, we have a new order on that. So the case has been settled outside court, and Venture Capital, which put that case, has withdrawn the charges. So there is no risk of interim resolution for now, and this was a major hurdle for the IPO and the filing of DRHP. So this removes that hurdle. So this is the order sheet for 17th April from Chennai court. As you can see here, the petitioner is withdrawing the petition, and they have submitted that this the matter is settled. This was the 98 crore 25 lakh was the principal amount, and 58 crore and 95 lakh was the interest amount. So totaling 157.2 crores. The default amount has been settled. So the amount has been provided by Polymatech to WenCap, and this has been informed to the court. So this will get cleared out. So in Jan 2026, the NCLT case got filed. From there, it went down and down. Currently, it's 62, so it went down to around 58. That is around 25% down in just last 3-4 months because of this news. And this is 52-week low. Let's check like after this news in last 2-3 days. So last 2-3 days, the stock went from 58.85 to 62, around 6-7% up. Also, I've done a full fundamental analysis of Polymatech stock. I'll add a link in the pinned comment and the description. You can check it out. So do let me know in the comment box if you're looking to sell once the IPO get finalized in the unlisted market, or you're looking to hold it for the long term because the fundamentals are good. From where I see, this is a good news for Polymatech stockholders because now the sentiment will change. Like we say, the stock like 25% was down in last 2-3 months. So the sentiment will change now. Now people don't have to think about insolvency that can happen, and the blocker for IPO and the DRSP is now unblocked, so they are good to go. Also, like 157 crore is a lot. If you see the 2025 cash flow, they had around 400 crore. So 157 crore is around 40% of them. And looking at their ambitious expansion plan, they need this IPO. They need all that cash to go with their ambitious expansion plan. Last month only, I saw that like they got 4.5 acres in Tamil Nadu near their old their current plant. They got lease for 99 years, and they're willing to invest 550 crore. So all in all, on paper this all looks good, but they do need cash for all these plans, and I think the IPO would be good for the investors and for the company, and this is definitely a good news according to me. If you enjoyed the video, please click on like button, and if you want to keep on getting undervalued stocks, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.